Bonjour les amis, après avoir étudié les sons on, e, a. Hello guys, after having studied the sounds on and a, we'll be going to start the sound in French. Thank you for watching. Alors, then, let's see the noun Constantin. Constantin. O-R-N. Good. Guys, let's study the sound A. Okay, let's go. Examples. Exemple. Important. Imbattable. Intolérant. Intolérant. Intelligent. Good. As you can see here also guys, we make a I am with, you see the P, and a I am, you see the B. It means behind P and B, the N will be with with M, not with N. Good. Then guys, let's see another form of un in French. We have un with un, un with um, un with yn, un with ym, un with ein, un with ain, and en. As you can understand here, en is R sound, but behind the I it is a sound. Good. We will be seeing them closely. Thank you so. Okay guys, let's see some examples of them. First one, we have au portant. Au portant. Humble. 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 Syndicat. Syndicat. Sympathique. Sympathique. Frein. Frein. Good. And then we have peint. Peint. Next. Peinture. Peinture. Next. Bien. Bien. Next. Vient. Vient. Good. With vient, it can be ending with T, S, and it is always vient because consonants at the end of words are not read in French. We'll be talking about that later. Thank you guys. And next we have rien. Aussi les amis, merci pour votre temps. Then guys, thank you for your time. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you enjoy.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you'd like to see more videos like this, and if you did not like it, leave us a comment and tell us why you do not like it. Hope to see you in the next one, and don't forget to share and subscribe. It's totally free.